Today's project, I gotta adjust the chain on this spreader, the 3618. As far as what I looked into, the 18 was 180 bushel. 36 was just the series or part of the model number there. No idea. And it was froze down and come along and some bars and hammers, and that's probably good. A little bit of cursing. Probably good the battery died. Didn't catch any of that though. It's been a pretty good spreader. I noticed last time that I spread, the flights are getting uneven. I skipped a tooth on the chain. Set you guys up somewhere. See, there's lots of slop in there. Go get a light. How are we gonna do that today? I got a couple bars. Moved all that water tub ice out here in the way. That would be probably just as easy to jump that one forward. A tooth. Last time I think I did this with a come along. I think that's froze down. Might be. It sure does look like it's froze down. Doesn't it? Chain foam sure worked good. I have no idea where it went. Alright, got some more serious tools. Let's see if this thing's going to work. It's been hanging in the barn. Hard to tell. Should be able to just hook that in one of them links. Where's that other chain? I throw that up there. Hey, you know what? Why don't we just go around the dang, instead of going around that box. It says the dang darn battery's dead, doesn't it? Oh, well. Oh, the battery died. That figures. Okay. That turned out good. See the flight is square with the back of the spreader. All the chain is back on the sprocket. It looks a lot better sitting in the bed. And it was froze down and come along and some bars and hammers, and that's probably good. A little bit of cursing. Probably good the battery died. Didn't catch any of that though. But now the most wonderful part of spreader work underneath. I guess one nice thing this time of year is all the crap's frozen. I suppose it could be worse. Whoop. There you go, I'll get you set up in a little pile of hay. Oh. The bottom side of the spreader, not the most pleasant place to be. This deck chain in this new idea rides along this track, piece of seat channel top and bottom. If it gets too loose, it falls out. Well, then it's a son of a gun to get the darn thing back up in there, especially underneath one of these braces. If you're not under one of these braces, you can kick one side up, turn it around. I just pound that back down, straighten out that little piece I screwed up there. Yeah, we got